Welcome students. You might have read BSc Semester 5 Paper 2 Syllabus of Environmental Science titled Environment and Innovations. This paper or syllabus is related with environment and innovations in air, water, soil, energy, forestry and education. You must be familiar with question pattern of this paper. Still, I want to repeat it. This paper contains 4 units with 3 different parts in each unit. From each unit, one long question carrying 10 marks, 2 short questions carrying 5 marks, and 3 short questions carrying 1 mark each will be asked in the final examination. Now, pay attention on unit 1. One by one, I shall be describing it for you. Let us start with innovation. What is innovation? You can see here. Innovation, it is nothing but improving something that already exists. Now, the innovation can be the action or process of innovating. Now, this innovation is a generation of new idea, creative thoughts, new imaginations in the form of device or method. Here the word device has been mentioned and the method also mentioned. Now, what is the meaning of this device or method? Here they want to discover the new device or to discover the new method. Now, why innovation is needed or what is the significance of innovation? The major benefits of innovation is its contribution to economic growth. Innovation can lead to higher productivity, means generating output. You see, as productivity rises, more and more goods and services are produced. If you want to describe it in simple words, you can say that the economy of the nation grows. Now, what is the meaning of environmental innovation? See here, environmental innovations are organizational, such as industries, companies, and factories, implementations, and changes focusing on the environment. Now, the definition of environmental innovation is it is a specific form of innovation aiming at reducing the impact of products and production processes on the natural environment. Now, the environmental innovation can also be defined as innovations that consist of new or modified processes, practices, new systems, new products which benefit the environment and contribute to environmental sustainability. Now, what are the goals of environmental innovation? Just see here. The environmental innovation, it is nothing but an innovation that makes progress towards the goal of sustainable development by reducing impacts on the environment, increasing resilience to environmental pressures, or using natural resources more efficiently and responsibly. Thanks.